Hello everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and this is a place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We cover apps that involve money on this channel, and we're going to be talking about the Chime app and how you can activate what's known as a roundup feature. So the way roundups work on Chime is you can make an arrangement so that when you spend money using your Chime debit card or your credit builder card, it can automatically go into your Chime savings account. So if you spent $5.50, it'll be rounded up to $6 and the 50 cents will be deposited into your savings account. So it's kind of a tactic that you can use to start saving money. With that being said, you will need a Chime savings account, so make sure you've already set that up before moving further. So you want to start off by opening the Chime app up and click on the wrench icon in the top left hand corner. Once there, click on account settings, scroll down, and you'll see where it says round up my purchases. Click on it, and you can choose whether you want to round up your debit card purchases, your credit builder purchases if you have that card with the Chime app, or both. For this example, we're going to be doing the credit builder purchases. So I'm going to click that on, and it basically just explains what I already explained. Turn on, and it says that I'm all set. So next time I use the credit builder card that I have, the roundup feature will be activated. So let's go ahead and do that now. So as you can see, I have a little over $10 in the credit builder account right now. And when I scroll down, I just opened the savings account, so there's no money in there. I'm going to do transactions so we can see this in action. So as we scroll down, you can see that the roundup has been calculated. So that's the 34-cent roundup that's been deposited into the savings account. It approximately took about 1 business day for the roundup to fully take effect. So that's what you'll want to put your expectations on as far as how fast or how often will transactions be getting rounded up to the savings account on Chime. But that does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't signed up for Chime and you have an interest in doing so, you can sign up using the link in the description or the pinned comment. And don't forget to check out the Chime playlist if you want to see more tutorials on how to operate the Chime banking app. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and give us a thumbs up if you found value in the video. And of course, don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny. See you later.